How's it going, everyone? Welcome to DIL, where you learn more than just your basic DIY. And today we are working on a Heatline that's running on a flat line. So first things first, switch the spare fuse switch back on, and as you can see, it's still running on a flat line. Next, strip down the boiler and check all fuses to see if any of them have popped. All fuses are fine and no internal leaks. This leaves me with one thing and one thing only, the PCB being dead. Now, this is a trick that I learned as an apprentice. If your PCB has hairline cracks on its soldering lines, you can sometimes get away with using a hairdryer for a minute or two and it should reconnect the soldering lines. Now, the boiler is alive and we have our first fault. Air pressure switch not operating, and for some reason it's disconnected. So I simply connected the hose back into its terminal. Just like that, the boiler fired up, but not for long, as the same fault appeared again. This time it's the fan, as it's getting the power it needs, but it's not operating. Power off, disconnect the fan and check the air pressure switch hoses for any pinholes. Quick trip to the shop for parts, back with a box fresh fan, and I bought this boiler a PCB just in case. New fan on. Now, the quicker I do this, the less I spend on parking. Why is it so expensive? Old PCB out, and I guess that just in case came in handy. You can see at the back of the PCB the dry solder lines. New PCB on, almost ready to test, and that's another boiler back in action. Which means another happy customer with hot water and heating. Don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more troubleshooting videos.